Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to get into Simple and Effective Tech, episode number 11, the PomaBrush. Now, if you're new to my channel, Simple and Effective Tech is a series of videos that I used to do where I show y'all simple and effective tech products. Now, the last one I did was episode number 10 about 4 years ago. And in the space of that 4 years, I've been getting the same comment over and over, bring back simple and effective tech, bring back simple and effective tech. So we brought it back. Now, the one negative comment that I used to get on that video was that the videos was too long because I was showing too many products in each video. So from now on, when I do simple and effective tech, I'm going to show you one product. So the video might be 3 minutes, might be 13 minutes, however long it takes me to show you that product, we're going to get in and get out. All right, so here we go. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love.
Calm down. All right, simple and effective tech, episode number 11, the PomaBrush. Now, I know what some of y'all are saying. How is a toothbrush a tech product? Check this out.
Design isn't just something you see or touch or hear. Premium design is something you feel in your core. When you pick up PomaBrush, it feels right. Press its single button and feel it spring to life. The extension of your hand. Balanced, the perfect weight. Its full silicone body, soft to the touch. Everything an electric toothbrush needs to be and more. Your PomaBrush is an extension of you, in whatever color you choose. PomaBrush's 15,000 vibrations per minute clean thoroughly without damaging sensitive gums or enamel. Silicone's antibacterial properties keep your PomaBrush naturally clean and last longer. Just rinse and go. Or jump in the shower and rinse together. Because your PomaBrush was built to get wet. PomaBrush wants to be displayed. Light and small. You'll want to bring it with you everywhere. But don't let its size fool you. Even though it's 20% smaller, it lasts 10 times longer. And with its wireless charging case, it becomes your perfect travel companion. You only need to charge your PomaBrush 3 times per year. The latest U.S. tech meets premium Italian design in PomaBrush. The only brush you need. Back it and get yours. Now.
All right, so you've seen the video for yourself. This is sick. Now, you can pick this up from PomaBrush. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one starts at $100. Now, they also sell accessories and refills. Now, here's the thing. When I do these simple and effective tech videos, these are going to be products that I actually use in my day-to-day life. Now, I backed this on Kickstarter a long time ago. Got one in the mail about 3 weeks ago. I've been using it ever since. All right, I love this, and I highly recommend it. This is one of those products that you might want to buy 2 of, or buy 3 and have one on deck for that emergency Father's Day / birthday gift. All right, here we go. Let's unbox it and take a look at it. PomaBrush, $100 for this one. Grab a little unboxing knife. Here we go. Rah! Okay. PomaBrush. First thing you'll notice, nice clean black box. Y'all know I like a nice black box. Giggity, who doesn't? Okay, PomaBrush branding. Sleek and simple. All right, this is the definition of simple and effective. Okay, here we go. Let's open this up. Now inside, you're gonna get your PomaBrush. All right, this is the charging case, which is USB Type-C. I'm feeling that. All right, you can charge this with your phone cable, but it does come with a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable, and of course, got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. Now, let me show you what the actual brush looks like. First of all, take a look at the case. All right, all matte finish on this. No fingerprints. It's water resistant. This is tough. Here we go. Bang. Look at this. This is the PomaBrush. Now, when you take it out of the case, minimum branding, okay? Says PomaBrush on the handle. And that's pretty much it. There's your pins, because this is a rechargeable toothbrush. All right, so when you put it back in the case, you notice the green lights. It's charging back up. How sick is this? How sick is this? Now look, I never used an electric toothbrush. I'm old school. I go to the 99-cent store. I buy a bunch of toothbrushes. I use them until the bristles look like this. You know what I'm saying? When the bristles start looking like this, then I throw it away and switch toothbrushes. After using this twice a day, this is going to make you want to brush your teeth even more. All right? This is the perfect Father's Day gift, perfect birthday gift, perfect gift for yourself. All right? Like I said, buy 2 of these. Keep one in your car. All right, fellas, you go on a date. Ladies, same thing. You go on a date, you go to that Mexican restaurant, you order some burritos, some empanadas, you know what I'm saying, a couple of margaritas, your breath smelling like hot ass. After you finish eating, pay the bill, excuse yourself to the bathroom, bang, got the PomaBrush in your pocket with a little tube of toothpaste. Even if you don't got toothpaste, you know what I'm saying, make a little concoction in the bathroom, hit the PomaBrush up, and keep it moving. Now I want to show y'all something real quick. Let me take it over to the book. Check this out. Okay. Main features: full silicone head and body. Soft antimicrobial silicone bristles won't hurt your gums or enamel as they gently massage them and strengthen them. Okay? Full silicone body and silicone bristles. Only needs 3 recharges a year. I repeat, 3 recharges a year. Now the brush itself holds a 1 month of charge, and its compact wireless case has an additional 3 months. All right, so the brush itself, even if you don't put it back in the case, this will last you for about a month, using it twice a day. Put it back in the case, you only got to charge this up 3 times a year. Okay? Now how it works? Simple. Take it out of the case, make sure it's charged up, apply some toothpaste, brush. All right, brush. Now here's another dope thing about this toothbrush. Once you press the button, it automatically stays on for 30 seconds. Now, according to the FDA, you're supposed to brush it. Is it the FDA or the according to some medical professionals, all right, according to the dentist, the National Dental Association, what is that, the NDA? According to the NDA, all right, let's just say the NDA. According to the National Dental Association, you're supposed to brush your teeth for a minimum of 2 minutes. So when you press the button on the PomaBrush, it stays on for 30 seconds and automatically turns off. So you can do the math yourself. Brush each section of your teeth for 1 press. All right, so press the button, 30 seconds for one side, 30 seconds for the other side, 30 seconds for the top, 30 seconds for the bottom. And then do yourself a favor, drop an extra 30 seconds, brush that tongue, brush on the inside of the teeth, then do 1 more for good luck and just keep it moving. Trust me, after you feel these vibrations, you're going to want to brush your teeth even longer. Okay? Now, how to maintain PomaBrush? After every brushing session, rinse under cold water and place the brush back in the case. Simple and straightforward. Like I said, I got 2 of these now. Been using it every day. If you go to the website, they sell additional brushes. I think it's $60 for a pack of 3. Now you're going to use these for a long time, maybe 3 months at a time. So $60 should get you through the year, if you do the math. Anyway, watch this. Now, look, I'm not going to make a video brushing my teeth. I don't think nobody want to see that, but watch this. I'm going to put it next to the mic. Listen. You hear how strong that vibration is? Now on camera, you might not be able to really see it. Let me see if I get a good zoom. You might not really be able to see it. But when you put this in your mouth, for people that never used an electric toothbrush, this is going to blow you away. People like me. Now, I never used an electric toothbrush. So the first time I used this, I went crazy. I brushed my teeth for about 5 minutes, going crazy with it. The sensation that you're going to have in your mouth after you take this out. Your mouth's going to feel like you had a little massage. You know what I'm saying? It feels like you had a professional dental cleaning. This is dope. All right, for $100 on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. All right, fellas, look how sleek this is going to look. All right, you got your little man cave bathroom setup. Nice little sleek black case. Not to mention, you go out with somebody, you don't want to pull out a toothbrush and put it on the table. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to walk around with a toothbrush or a raw dog toothbrush in your pocket. Look how sleek this looks. All right, this looks nice and sleek. You know what I'm saying? Say you go to TSA, you empty out your pockets. You're not going to look crazy. Nice, sleek looking toothbrush with a USB Type-C charger. All right, so say for instance your battery happens to be completely dead. This is that one time out of the year that you didn't charge it up for maybe 6 months straight. I don't know why would you not do that. But just for argument's sake, use your same phone charger, charge up your toothbrush. Again, $100. Listen to that vibration. I'm gonna put it right on the mic. You know what I'm saying? This is sick. All right. Anyway, this is the PomaBrush. Now, like I said, they do sell accessories, so they sell a little mount. So if you want to mount this whole kit into your bathroom, mount it on a stand, they sell that too. They sell the different brushes, comes in a few different colors. This is a win. All right, ladies, this is a Father's Day gift. And it's not going to break your pockets, $100, all right? Now, I'm a father, all right? Speaking from a father's point of view, we tired of getting dress shirts, all right? We don't want no more wingtip shoes. Okay, we tired of all that bullshit. All right, we don't want no more pictures of you. You know what I'm saying? We raised y'all. All right, so we know what y'all look like. This is the kind of gift that we want. All right, Amaya, I'm talking directly to you. All right, Amaya, when you watch this video, I don't want no more picture frames with your face in it. I know what you look like. This is the kind of stuff that I want. All right, fellas, co-sign me on this one. Anyway, this is the PomaBrush. This is the one I've been using every day. Like I said, it's water resistant. You see now, might have a little residual toothpaste on this one. But before I use it, of course, I thoroughly rinse it out. But this is the perfect travel item. Perfect to throw in my pocket. Oh, this one smells minty fresh too. Woo. This is perfect. Right? You like going out to bars, you like going out to eat, you like going out places, especially you going on a date. All right, the last thing you want to do is go on a date, go to a fancy restaurant, and then at the end, when it's time to get that makeout session, your breath smelling like hot ass. You don't want to do that. All right, like I said, excuse yourself, hit the PomaBrush up real quick, come back to the car, make out like a boss. Anyway, this is the PomaBrush, $100. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. And on a side note, let me know if y'all want me to keep these simple and effective tech videos going. I already got about maybe 5 more products. Now, I'll just give y'all a sneak preview of what I want to show y'all next. This product right here kind of blew me away. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but this product right here blew me away. All right, this is from Okupa. I don't even know the name of it. Rechargeable hand warmer. Bro, I know it sounds stupid. I never heard of it. I never heard of a rechargeable hand warmer. But bro, when you see this, you're gonna want this. All right. Like I said, if y'all want me to continue with simple and effective tech, hit me up in the comments. If y'all don't like these kind of videos, then leave that comment too. Of course, I'm gonna do what I want to do anyway. I'm just kidding, but I will take that into consideration. All right, I'm gonna go with the majority. If the majority of people want to see simple and effective tech, we're gonna rock with the majority. If all y'all saying y'all don't want to see these bullshit products, you know what I'm saying, then we're gonna keep it moving and stick to what we do. PomaBrush. I love the little rechargeable lights. Let me see this one right here. All right, this one you see now. This one needs to be recharged. This one I left on the charger overnight. Put it back in the case. This one is fully charged. Oh, let me just grab a quick USB Type-C charging cable. We plug this in live and direct. Here's how it looks. All right, so I got a USB charging cable. Just plug this one in. Okay, you see the light flashing? Now it's charging up. I love it. Like I said, the sensation of brushing your teeth with an electric toothbrush, if you never did it, try it. All right, before you hate, try it. Anyway, PomaBrush, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. The picture be rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock wanted to beam up. Energize.